Okay, so this video we're gonna go up to the top and then we'll just show you what's up that. There's an elevator straight ahead where the policeman is going. So we're gonna get up there and then we're gonna have this view. And you can see it a little bit here. You can see this other hill in the background there. So we're definitely gonna go up and check that out. So, okay, stay tuned. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Got a big sign about the sickness. And now we're in the elevator, so we're just gonna go up to the top and we'll show you what's. There's some more elevator pictures. Same illustrator, it looks like. We got the same in the mid-levels. Oh, there's separate video. Okay. Okay, here we are going up. Looks like I'm going higher than I thought. This would be interesting. I didn't know it's going to be coming up here. Which could be kind of cool. Oh, dang. Okay, this goes up to the hospital. So that goes up to the hospital. We can go on the other side of that. Let's see if I can. Well, I guess it'll show you from the window. I was going to go down a lower level, but since I'm up here, might as well keep exploring it. So we were way down there. I see a plane. It's COVID times. There's not really many planes anymore. Anyways. Could go into the hospital, but I think I'm gonna just go down. I could go down here. Oh, okay. Well, looks like we can go down, so let's look down. Let's go this way and you can see this hospital here. This is Januario or something like that. All that kind of cool housing. Okay, so yeah, actually Macau, there's some kind of surprises like that, some hills and things like that that you don't always expect. So we're up in a hill and there's a older hospital here. And what I want to do is get over here. I thought I was going to come out here and then show you this view right here. So we're going to go down a little bit and then now we can see everything. So yeah, if we go down a little bit further, we can see where we came from. So we just started down there, a little bit sunny. But yeah, you got this nice view, so just kind of it goes down like that, right? It goes back up again. So, okay, hope you like that one. So basically we just took this elevator up and we went all the way up to the top. And then we took that down like that. And now we're right here. So another little hidden surprise of Macau. Chiquinha.